In this video, you will learn how to autoplay videos with Arreya. Many browsers have implemented vague and complex metrics for determining when a video can and cannot be autoplayed, and when a video can or cannot play with sound. Here are a few ways to get your videos to autoplay correctly in Arreya. The first method is to install Arreya as a progressive web app, also known as a PWA. Installing Arreya as a PWA bypasses almost all browsers' restrictions on autoplay. This is the simplest and fastest way to get your browser videos to autoplay every time. To install your Arreya channel as a PWA, navigate to your Arreya channel URL. In the top right of the address bar, click the Install button. Your Arreya channel is now installed as a PWA. If you are having problems autoplaying videos in the browser, you might be running into a lack of media engagement. Chrome and most other browsers allow videos to autoplay without sound by default. Browsers will allow videos to autoplay with sound as long as one of the following is met. The first is that the user has interacted with the website, clicked, scrolled, etc. The second is that the user has passed a Media Engagement Index, or MEI, threshold. The final step is that the website has been added to the home screen on mobile or the PWA has been installed on desktop devices. As previously mentioned, we recommend installing the Arreya app as a PWA, as this will bypass these engagement limitations. If you have Arreya installed as a PWA and you are still having issues with autoplaying videos with sound, or maybe even having issues getting a video to embed correctly, here are some steps to consider. The most reliable method of getting a video embedded and to autoplay is by uploading the file to our media library in the Arreya Creative Studio. This eliminates any possibility of the source of the video not having the permissions necessary to autoplay correctly. If the video is on YouTube, use the YouTube widget. Simply ensure that autoplay is on and adjust any other settings to match your needs. If the video is on a different video hosting site, you can use the website widget to pull the video in quickly. Many sites do not have the video set to autoplay by default, and additional parameters must be added into the end of the URL in order to have it autoplay. The exact way to put these into the URL varies from site to site, and you may need to consult the website support documentation on how to autoplay videos. If you are still experiencing issues with autoplaying videos with Arreya, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call to talk with one of our digital signage experts.